Hello guys, welcome back to Nana's Food World. Today we are making gingerbread cookies or gingerbread men, as you can see here, really nicely decorated. Guys, if you're new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Merry Christmas to you all. This is a very simple recipe and it takes only about 20 minutes to do, so come along with me and let's do this. So guys, to start, I have my gingerbread dough. I bought this in Aldi, so if you live in the UK, you can get this from Aldi, okay? Or if you can check any other store, they might have it, but I bought this from Aldi. So I take it out of the packet and then I'm going to just roll it, all right? So yeah, you roll it to the desired thickness, but I love it to be about 3 to 5 millimeters in thickness, all right? That's how I like mine to be. I put flour on it so that it won't stick onto my board. All right, so come along with me. Right, so it's all done. As you can see here, I'm using my Gingerbread Man cutter just to cut it nicely. So just follow along, just cut them, and then after that we are going to bake them. All right, it's as easy as that. As you can see, we bring the leftover doughs together again and then we roll it again, and then we do it until we've used every bit of the dough. So it's all done. I'm going to put this into the oven at 170 degrees for between 8 and 12 minutes. So guys, as you can see, my gingerbread is done. I'm cooling it and I'm going to decorate it. It's absolutely delicious. Okay, so as you can see here, just showing you how I did decorate some of my gingerbread men. Every one of my kids did partake of it and they loved it. You can use this as an activity in your house during Christmas. I tell you, your kids are going to love it. They will love decorating it, guys. So come along with me and let's have fun decorating it. Yes. So guys, it's all done here. I tell you, I loved decorating these gingerbread men. They are absolutely delicious. I love these ones. These are my favorites, as I'm showing you. So guys, if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching. May God richly bless you. Have a merry Christmas. Take care. Bye.